Are you looking for a free alternative to Midjourney? Well, you're in the right place. We're thrilled to introduce you to an amazing tool just like Midjourney, but completely free and unlimited. And we'll show you how to use it step by step and see how it works. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more amazing tools like this. Let's get started. So this amazing tool is called Blue Willow, and if you're new to Blue Willow, don't worry. We've got a beginner's guide to help you get started. First, head over to the Blue Willow website and sign up with your email address. Once you're signed up, go to one of the special chat rooms called Rookie on the left side of the screen. Type in /imagine followed by a space, then describe what you want the picture to be about. For example, a cute dog playing with a little girl. Wait less than a minute and 4 pictures will show up. You can change the pictures by clicking on the buttons with letters. The U button makes the picture better. The V button makes a new set of pictures based on the one you liked. And the refresh button gives you a whole new set of 4 pictures based on your description. To find your pictures again later, type mentions, your username in the search box at the top right. Your pictures will be there. Click Jump or Blue Willow to see them in your stream. Now, let's see Blue Willow in action with a fun case study, creating a coloring book. To create a coloring book, first, choose the style you want by clearly communicating that you want a coloring book look by using terms like line art, black and white background, or coloring book for children. Second, set the aspect ratio. To match an 8.5 by 11-inch piece of printer paper, set a portrait aspect ratio by adding R2:3 in your prompt. Third, brainstorm prompts. Come up with fun, engaging ideas for each coloring book page. Be specific and detailed to get the best results. Fourth, generate images. For each prompt, type /imagine followed by your prompt, including the style and aspect ratio. You'll receive 4 images to choose from, which you can refine or generate new images until you have the perfect illustration. Fifth, compile the coloring book. With your unique illustrations ready, compile them into a coloring book using software like Adobe, InDesign, or Microsoft Publisher, or simply print the images and staple them together. All right, folks, now that you've seen Blue Willow in action, let's talk about some other awesome ways you can use this powerful AI generator to boost your creativity and make your projects truly stand out. The possibilities are endless, so let's explore just a few examples. 1. Logo design. Need a new logo for your business or personal brand? Just input a description of your desired logo and watch as Blue Willow generates unique designs for you to choose from. 2. Social media graphics. Keep your social media presence fresh and engaging with eye-catching graphics. Blue Willow can help you create shareable content that's perfect for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. 3. Website illustrations. Enhance your website with custom illustrations that reflect your brand or theme. Blue Willow can create visuals that truly elevate your online presence. 4. Custom artwork. Looking to decorate your home or office? Describe your ideal piece of art, and Blue Willow can generate unique, high-quality artwork that suits your taste. 5. Concept exploration. If you're a writer, game designer, or filmmaker, Blue Willow can help you visualize characters, environments, or scenes to bring your ideas to life and inspire further creativity. 6. Event invitations and posters. Make your event stand out with bespoke invitations and posters. With Blue Willow, you can create designs that'll leave a lasting impression on your guests. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can use Blue Willow to enhance your creative projects. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Now that you've seen the power of Blue Willow in action, why not give it a try yourself? We've put the link in the description where you can head over to the Blue Willow website and start creating your own masterpieces today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more free and amazing AI tools and tutorials. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.